Hi, baby girls. Hi, Victoria. Hi, Elizabeth Gale. Hi, Victoria. Is that Mama's camera? You can't play with it, okay? No, don't play with the camera. Hi, Elizabeth. Come over here. Sorry. Focus on the babies. Elizabeth, did you crawl for Mama today? Crawl for Mama today? Can you crawl again? Say, Mama, what do you think the likelihood of you catching that on camera would be? Huh? You smiling? Hi, Victoria. Yeah, you're crawling on Mama. I know. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. What? Come here. What does Mama have? Come here. Come here, get it. Not really. But your sister's gonna get it. What did I tell you? Victoria likes the flooring. Hi, Victoria. Okay, Mama, turn it to the picture mode now.